Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vanity and today I have a hair tutorial for you using the Mofajang hair wax, and I have the colors violet and the color blue. This is a wax that you add to your hair and it gives you some temporary hair color. From what I've seen, it's very vibrant, so that's why I wanted to try it out. I washed my hair and I've left it a bit damp. I did let it air dry for a little bit because I'm going to add some leave-in conditioner as a base for my hair before I add the wax. I've seen that it is easier to apply to the hair and it just looks better overall when you apply some kind of base. You can apply a leave-in or a gel or some kind of mousse, whatever you want, but you know, since it's a wax, you need to have something on your hair in order for it to glide on easily, or the product will accumulate, it will build up on your hair. So just a note for you all who are trying to get the best results with these hair waxes. Now I am going to be using some gloves, and also this is a white t-shirt, but this is a shirt that I don't really care about, so be sure to use a shirt that you don't care about so that if it stains, it doesn't really matter to you. And so I just have some gloves. I'm going to start off by using my leave-in, and the leave-in that I use is one of my favorites. It's called Kera. I bought this at the local beauty salon. I think it was like $40 in case you are looking for it. So I'm just gonna take about that much, a little bit more than a quarter, and I'm gonna distribute it throughout my hair slowly because this is a bit of a thick formula, so it can really accumulate on your hair easily. So I'm just gonna take my time to really spread that out. And you can use a comb to just evenly distribute the product. Like I said, I really want to avoid that buildup of product on my hair. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Not that much. Okay, so now that I'm done applying my leave-in, I am going to be using this purple color more than the blue color. But what I thought would be fun would be if I mix both colors together. I want to see what color I can get, so I'm going to be using about 75% the purple color and then 25% the blue color. And for this, first I am going to split my hair in half right here. I'm gonna be splitting it in half every time and just pinning it to the side so that I can get a pretty good application. So I'm gonna be using about that much of the purple, if you can see. My gloves are purple, and about that much of the blue. I'm just gonna mix it together in my hands. looks like. Of course, you can see the blue more because of my gloves, and I'm just gonna apply it this way. All over. So once again, just gonna mix that in. Since this is a bigger piece of hair, I'm going to take my time and make sure that I comb through it with my fingers and distribute the product through the hair as much as I can so that I can get an even application. So now I am just going to split my hair in half and continue to apply it on the other side. I'm going to speed through this side of my hair. Also, be sure to apply this to all of your roots. There might be some roots in the back that you can't reach, so just make sure you're paying attention to that so that you can get a very even application and not have any spots without color on it. Now I'm just making sure that my edges are covered with enough color so that it can look as vibrant as the rest of the hair. So at this point I'm done with my application. I can just let my hair air dry or I can blow dry it so that it can set faster. I'm going to opt to blow dry it because I want this to dry out faster. So now I'm just gonna proceed to the next step, which is blow drying. So I did blow dry my hair for about half an hour and then I decided to just let it air dry for the rest of the time. So I've been letting my hair dry for about 5 hours now. I did take the blow dryer and help speed up the process, but I definitely had to let it air dry because it was not drying as fast as I thought it would with the blow dryer. But this is the results. Of course, I did go through my hair with the comb so that it can separate, because it was clumped up as if I had put a lot of gel. And you can see when I combed it out, anywhere that I didn't apply enough peek through, so keep that in mind. See, I don't mind it. I like it. I like it. I feel like it adds dimension to the hair, but for anybody who wants to have a more uniform application, keep this in mind. It can be good to comb through the hair. See, there's some parts that are a bit more bold than others, but all in all, I'm satisfied with my results. And my hair is still damp even after all these hours of air drying it, so just keep that in mind. This will take some time to dry, and it does transfer easily. Like, this is just the transfer I got from rubbing my hands through my hair. Hopefully it doesn't transfer as fast when it's a bit more dry, so I'm thinking maybe a few more hours. But I like it. I like the wet look it's giving, and it does give me that gel feel. Like I said, I feel like I have some stronghold gel in my hair, so also keep that in mind. I think it's best to use a leave-in because that will help to soften the effect of the wax on your hair. If you use something that is stronghold also, it might not be as easy for you to comb your hair out. So try to use something light for your application. And yeah, this has been my review. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.